Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making tiger nut drink. So you can see that delicious thick tiger nut. You can make it for your home use or for commercial purpose. So I'll be taking you through the ingredients and the process. So here are the ingredients. We have date, coconut, the tiger nut, which is the main ingredients of the day. So I'll be cleaning everything together. I've already washed my tiger nut and soaked, so it's ready. So I'll clean everything together. Here is my well washed clean tiger nut, date, ginger and coconut. I'll be adding banana. Guys, the banana is a game changer. Try it and let me know in the comment section how you feel about it. It's make it very sweet and delicious. So here is my well blended tiger nut. You can see how smooth it is and thick. So I'll be using a very chill water, very cold one, to strain the chaff from the juice. So I have to add water to loosen the thickness. Not much water, so that the tiger nut milk will be very thick when you are through. So you see the consistency. So I'll be using my cheesecloth to strain the juice out of the chaff. If you are new here, please subscribe to this channel, share, comment and like. If you are our old subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. Thank you for supporting this channel. Please guys, if you have not subscribed, subscribe and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for your support. So here is me straining the juice out. So this is the last batch. So that is the last batch. I've added water to loosen it too, because the last one was so thick. I have to add water. So we are through. This is the tiger nut. See how thick it is. So you can take this at home or for commercial purpose. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. See you all in my next one. Bye.